As a country, we face a generational transition. Below 35, they are crying out for help. The country is in a mess. We know we are inheriting a mess. We know this country has been left with nothing.
I started to train in 2003. Ndikapedza 2006, ndiri 2003 na September. Ndane 20 years ndiri mufield. Ndichibatanza the training. The post qualification ndane 17 years. Asi mukaona imba yandiri kuloja one room. Nevana 4. Nemukadzi nevana. I can't afford, but you can find kuti munhu ari South Africa pandakamboendako ndambotiza palive. A young lady achitaura kuti ane mota, achangopedza nursing, ane imba yatopiwa as a mortgage. Iye anga apedza aine just 3 months dzekupedza. Indanda ane 17 years. Apa ndina mai vanenge vachirwara vanoda mapiritsi, baba vanoda mapiritsi, zvese izvozvo zvinoda kutariswa. Then tazobvapo ipapo pabonding, patachitaura zvebonding. Kune vanhu vari kuti iye apedza bonding oemployiwa neprivate. Government iri kuramba kumupa diploma rake. But aiseva here nyika yeNamibian government kana kuti aiseva nyika yegovernment yaakashandira, yaakatrainera. Tokumbirawo muti clarify ipapo kuti anyone wangoshanda within the border of Zimbabwe ngaapiwe diploma rake. Kwete kuti onzi kwai chimbotanga wadzokera kugovernment unoshanda dzimwe 3 years tozokupa. And then, how many people are qualifying kuma degree vapedza vachinoshanda kuma private kunana kuma law firms pasina kushanda mu government but anongozopuwa zvinhu zvake kana anga pa bond 1. Then tozobvapo.
So every time you hear me speaking, this is the reason why I always speak. It's because I feel the pain of the people who are working within the government of Zimbabwe. It's because I feel the pain the people who are serving us are going through. Be it those in the military, in the CIO, in the health sector, the teachers, the doctors, everybody. I feel their pain because I understand that without money, there is nothing you can do. I understand that the salaries they are getting, they cannot take loans which can sustain them. That is the problem we have. In the past, people used to get loans from POSB, from Agribank. These two banks were offering better loans for civil servants. They could actually buy stands, they could actually start building their own stands. But right now, they can't. Right now, they are actually borrowing for them to be able to send their kids to school. I have seen them borrowing money from several borrowers, like my first financial institutions anongo kaska abata mari yacho yekuti unongo kwereta this month and next month yobva yakwaturwa. But for them to get long-term loans which are sustainable, which can make them be able to develop themselves, they can't. So you see that this is failure from the government to recognize that these people, they need to live. These people, they need better lives. The government we have, they drive cars. You know that the problem with the people at the top is that mota dzavano drivers dzinotengwa nehurumende, fuel yacho inotengwa nehurumende, marentals avo vanobhadharirwa nehurumende, kana dzimba dzacho vakapiwa mastands nehurumende, kana kuti vakangopanana pachavo mastands iwayo. Some of them vari in government departments vanenge vachilida vanogara dzimba dzehurumende dziri kubhadharwa nehurumende. All the bills dzavano incur dziri kukerwa kana dzakatakurwa nehurumende. Also, they have an advantage yema kickbacks because they are in influential positions, which means ivo kwavari hakuna nhamo. But what happens to somebody ari pasi? That is the issue. So Team Zimbabwe, I always see magistrate aya achishandiswa kuisa vanhu mujere, kuita sei zvakasiyana siyana. But I feel pity for them because they are living shameful lives. Upenyu hwekuti uri kunyatsoona kuti munhu uyu musi anosiya basa hana chaanoenda nacho. But they are hanging on, and they continue to embarrass others, to jail others, and whatsoever. I know the frustration in vanhu vari kushanda mugovernment because I feel for them, I understand their pain. Saka, when we talk about change, remember kuti munhu wese ari mugovernment achada zviripo izvo, but inyaya dzekumanikidzana, and sometimes they can't speak, they can't stand. That is the reason why we are standing on their behalf. If you want to see the truth, revisit the elections of the by-elections of 2022. Morris Depo chamisa akarova kuseri nekuseri kunge ngoma yezioni. A candidate yetriple C yaivapo pama-by-elections yakawina kuseri nekuseri. Why? Vakadzi vevanhu vari paMorris, both mapurisa, magadi jere, vese vaivhotera ipapo. They voted for change. Vakadzi nevarume vacho, they both voted for change. Why? They've suffered enough. So you would see the abuse which is happening within their workplaces. We cannot shift the blame on them. They're just being abused and being used. There are just a few elements. You see, magistrates are they don't reflect the entire Judicial Service Commission. They just reflect just a small percentage of these people who are benefiting. But the majority of them, they are tired, they are sick and tired of this corruption, of this incompetence, and they want change. So everybody, let us register to vote and make sure that we vote for change, knowing fully well that who united Zimbabweans to bring change.